Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw capsicum and let's jump to the paper together. Alright, in the beginning I need you to draw the branch of the capsicum first. So what you need to do is you need to make something like this. So yes, from here like this, then go like this. After that, from here like this and like this. Also after that you can make the capsicum, the body of the capsicum. So I will show you make it like this. You like this, then you making something like this. Okay, after that you can going down all the way like this. So from here, right, from here like all the way like this, right, then you go to this spot and then you going down like this. Alright, so you have this shape. Alright, ready. After that you can continue from here. So from here you make it like almost the same shape. Alright, but your landing is around here. You're landing around here. Right, okay. Then after that from here again, so you mirroring this shape to this. So from here, right, you can go like this and yes, something like this. You can see already the shape of the capsicum. So from here you can give a little bit curve at the back like this. All right, then after that the same thing here. Okay guys, looks great already. Then I will get the two. So this is the another one, right? So basically you do the same thing like this, then like this. Okay, and after that you make the same thing like this, like like love like this, right? Then you just going down from here, make this line and then like this. Okay, from here also like 1 2 3, then going down all the way like this. After that the same thing from here, you make it this line like this guys and connect to this one, and then after that the same thing here. So from here you make this line and connect to this. All right, then after that at the back one you make it this like this, and also here you make it like this. All right guys, basically this is done, the shape of the capsicum. And then this is the fun part. I will give an expression. So here I will give a eyes here, so you can just follow me guys like this, right? Then also here. Okay, after that you can give a smile mouth like this, right? Perfect. Oh, and then after that you give the circle, right? Small circle here also, and then you can give like this. So this is will be so lovely, right? Okay, you can guys can follow, right? Already have this. Then the next one I will give the next expression here, and then like this. Basically it's the same thing, and then I will make this character looking to the other capsicum here. So yes, something like this, right? Then yes, I will give this small white dot here. So the same thing here, right? Okay guys, then probably this one will be like something like screaming happy like this, right? Then give tongue and give a teeth. Okay, after that this is the fun part. I will give red color here, so to make it looks cute. All right, then in here also, right, because this is going to be red, so I will give the shy part with the, I think the best one with the, yes, this one, pink color like this, right? Alright guys, I will speed up the video for the coloring process. You guys can follow and let's go. Alright guys, Alright guys, this is the final result of capsicum. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye bye guys. Thank you so much.